Alright, so I'm going to be doing a prone lying quad stretch with my patient today. She is a 4 out of 5 muscle grade. I'm just going to be doing 2 sets of a 40-second hold. I'm choosing 40 seconds since it's a larger muscle, so it can handle a larger hold time. I have a towel just proximal to her patella, just so that her patella isn't digging into the plinth. I'm going to be using my right hand just to stabilize her leg, and it's just above the popliteal space, and then my left hand's going to be my force. I'm going to be bringing it just to TR1, doing a passive range of motion assessment just to see what her range of motion's like. It's about there. So then I'll be doing 2 sets now for 40 seconds, like I said, just above TR1. And we'll be stretching out her quad muscles. So right there. How's that feel?
Nice.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
So this will be stretching out the rectus femoris, the vastus lateralis, vastus intermedius, and vastus medialis. Still comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, that was 1 set. And she'll be resting for about 1 minute and 20 seconds, or no, 60 seconds, which is 1.5 times the hold length. And any substitutions I'm looking for is the lower part of her leg where it's just coming up in the air to substitute, because if it's too tight, then it would raise that off of the table, which is another reason I have my right hand here just to stabilize her leg against the table. You ready for another?
Mm-hmm.
So again, just bringing it just past TR1. I'm looking for that part of her leg coming up, which it isn't. Feel okay still?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to be doing a prone press up with my patient. She's in prone just so she has stabilization. She's aligned properly. And yeah, it's just the best position because it's called a prone press up. So you're going to be putting your arms to your side with your hands on the table, and then you're just going to be pressing up. We're just going to do 1 set of 8 reps of that. And you'll just want to hold it at the top a little bit, and it's an extension bias exercise. So if you just want to put your hands to your side, and then press up, and down. And any substitution I'm looking for is her pelvis coming off, which it is not. And if it was coming off the table, I would just have her stop the movement before it does, or put her arms out in front of her, which would help keep it against the plinth. Make sure to breathe. I'm going to be doing trunk strengthening with my patient. It's going to be an osteokinetic strengthening, performing the Superman exercise or Superwoman exercise. So you're just going to be placing your arms out in front of you, and she's in prone, which is good for her alignment and stabilization. You're going to place your arms out in front of you and bring them back while you bring your legs up, so it's almost like you're folding backwards. This will be strengthening her erectus spinae and her oblique muscles. We're going to be doing 2 sets of 8 reps. So yeah, just going to put both your arms out in front. And then go up. 1, 2, 3. And I can see it working right here in her erector spinae. Make sure to breathe.
Are they doing 6?
You're doing 8.
Oh.
Go, stay. 8. Alright, then we'll rest a little bit. It's a hard exercise, so
It
probably
is.
rest for like around a minute. Or 30 to 60 seconds. You ready for set 2?
Yes.
Again, 8 reps.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. I'm just making sure that it's working right here, which it is. 4, 5, 6. Make sure you're breathing. 7.